asymptotic approximation of the log magnitude versus frequency plot. Asymptotic approximation of log magnitude versus frequency plot of a system containing only real poles and zeros is shown. So this is Bode plot. Other name is asymptotic plot. Other name for Bode plot is asymptotic plot. We can understand y-axis we are having some dB, x-axis omega, and all the slopes are written as minus 40 dB per decade, minus 60 dB per decade. So this is straight away Bode plot. And they have given the diagram. We are asked to find the transfer function for the diagram. We are asked to find the transfer function for the diagram. So if you see here, asymptotic approximation is nothing but Bode plot, and this is the other name for Bode plot. Now the initial value is at 80 dB. Initial value is at 80 dB. Okay. And initial slope is minus 40 dB per decade. Initial slope is minus 40 dB per decade. So what I told from the basic factors, the beginning will be either integral factor or derivative factor. If it is touching y-axis, definitely the beginning will be integral factor or derivative factor. Integral factor means slope will be minus, derivative factor means slope will be plus. In that case, it will be an increasing graph. Okay, so initial slope is minus 40 dB per decade, minus 40 dB per decade, and it is given by 1 by s square factor. 1 by s square factor. Each 1 by s is minus 20. So here we are having minus 40. So 1 by s square I am taking. And you can see initial magnitude in the graph, it is 80 dB. Y-axis is dB, gain in dB. So y-axis what is taken in Bode plot is gain in dB. X-axis is omega, frequency in radians per second. Log omega also sometimes. Log omega can be sometimes. Okay. This initial magnitude is nothing but 20 log k, open loop gain k. Along with that, in the transfer function, any integral or derivative factor present, that will also be combined. So into 1 by s square, Okay, because initial slope minus 40, we identified 1 by s square is there. Okay, so initial magnitude will be decided by open loop gain. I told you in one of the previous class, you can see, I have explained here. This is our transfer function. Numerator I have 100 years. So in the first magnitude calculation, I have used 100 is the k value. Along with that, I have used that s also. Okay. So when I change it to the Bode form, time constant form, all this numerator and denominator, when I have changed it to time constant form, the constant instead of 100, it is becoming 5. Okay. All other constants, they get cancelled. Everything in the numerator denominator, I change it to 1 plus st form, and other constants are there. When cancelled everything, and in equation 1a or 1b, you can see 1a, it is time constant form, k value is 5. Along with 5, derivative factor, differential factor s is also there. So in the first magnitude calculation, I have used that 5 into s. Okay. So this is the first magnitude calculation. The beginning value is always with the help of k, and any integral and derivative factors are present. Okay, those combinedly will give the initial magnitude. So now I am combining k and 1 by s square. At what frequency? Now I will put in the place of s j omega. So k by s square means j omega whole square. And if we further calculate this, this is magnitude only. Okay, we have to take it magnitude here, magnitude of k by j omega whole square, and 20 logarithm k. If we calculate magnitude, okay, that square is already there, and otherwise the magnitude, it is 0 plus j omega present in the denominator. Magnitude is square root of 0 square plus omega square. Okay, and it will be finally, when you apply magnitude, it will become omega, and it is 20 log k by omega, and one square is also there. Okay, k by omega square. Now at what frequency we are having this magnitude? You can see the initial, the beginning frequency, initial, and this is the corner frequency. Initial corner frequency, we are having the magnitude 80. Okay, x-axis is 0.1. X-axis is nothing but omega value. So when you substitute this 80 dB is nothing but 20 logarithm k divided by the omega value is 0.1. Omega value is 0.1. Okay. So what I will do here, 20 logarithm k and then minus, or what I will do, plus 20 logarithm 1 by 0.1. Okay, this is of the form 20 logarithm k into 1 by 0.1. Okay, log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Okay, so now this is 20 logarithm k, and here I can write it as 20 logarithm 10. 1 by 0.1 is nothing but 10. This is base 10, and here also base 10. This is 80. If we further calculate, log 10 base 10 will become 1, and 20 is the second term on RHS. So 80 minus 20 is nothing but 20 logarithm k base 10. Okay, 20 logarithm k base 10. Now, if I further calculate this, LHS I'm having 60. 60 divided by 20 is 3. Okay, 60 divided by 20 is 3. 3 is nothing but log k base 10, and the k value is nothing but 10 power 3. K value is nothing but 10 power 3. The value is 1000. Okay, so now you can see 1000 is there only in option B. 1000 is there only in option B. S square also there in the denominator. So maximum possible. S square is compulsory. So B or D can be the answer. B or D can be the answer, because the first initial slope is minus 40, which is given by two factors in the denominator. Okay, it is touching y-axis, so it is integral factor. So 1 by s square is compulsory there. So option B or D can be the answer. But when we calculated k value, it is coming 1000, and 1000 constant k value, open loop gain. Okay, k value 1000 is present in option B. So option B is the answer. Further, if we want to do step number 1, what I am doing on this, step number 1, okay, completely this is step number 1, finding k value. Now I will go with step number 2, okay. So after minus 40, it is changing to minus 60. After minus 40, it is changing to minus 60. So the transfer function is k divided by s square. When minus 40 to minus 60 means one more denominator factor is there, 1 plus st1. Okay, so minus 20 is added, no. From minus 40 to minus 60, minus 40 to minus 60, one more minus 20 is added. So that is given by first order factor in denominator. So I am adding first order factor in denominator. Okay. So now minus 60 is completed. This is minus 60 dB per decade between 2 to 5. X-axis 2 to 5. X-axis 2 to 5, minus 60 is the slope. After 5 you can see again minus 40 is the slope. Minus 40 dB per decade is the slope. Okay, which means from minus 60 it is becoming minus 40, means we have to add plus 20. Minus 60 to minus 40 means we are adding plus 20. Plus 20 is given by numerator factor, so I will add 1 plus st2. T2. Okay, numerator first order factor I am adding. So after 25, you can see after 25 on x-axis, again the slope is changing to minus 60 dB per decade, means from minus 40 it is changing to minus 60. So one denominator factor should come, 1 plus st3. 1 plus st3. Okay. So now what is happening here? This is because of k by s square. This initial thing is because of k by s square. And this is the corner frequency. This is the corner frequency where slope is changing from minus 40 to minus 60. Minus 40 to minus 60. Okay. And it is by a denominator factor. It is by a denominator factor. And this T1 is nothing but 1 by omega C1. And that omega C1 is nothing but 2. Omega C1 is nothing but 2. Okay. So where that minus 40 is changing to minus 60, at the corner frequency omega C1, value is 2. Okay. So this is 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. 1 by 2, 0.5. Okay. Then another corner frequency from minus 60, it is again changing to minus 40. At where corner frequency 5. So this is our second corner frequency. This is our second corner frequency. Okay. So it is this T2 is nothing but 1 by omega C2, and omega C2 is nothing but 5, we have identified. So 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. Okay. Next, another minus 40. Again, it is changing to minus 60 at the corner frequency 25. So this I am giving the name omega C3, and it is by a denominator factor. T3 is nothing but 1 by omega C3, and that is 1 by 25. Okay, 1 by 25 or 0.04. 0.04. Okay. So now what I will do, I will substitute, okay, in the place of t, capital T, I will substitute 1 by omega everywhere. Now the transfer function is numerator k by s square, okay, and then numerator I have 1 plus s into t2 value is 1 by 5. T2 value is 1 by 5. Denominator 1 plus s into t1 value is 1 by 2. Okay, t1 value is 1 by 2. T1 value 1 by 2. Next, I have one more factor, 1 plus ST3, and yes, T3 value is 1 by 25. T3 value is 1 by 25. Okay. So now you can just simplify, substitute, simplify. Let us check, substitute, simplify. K value already we got 1000. Okay. Then I have S plus 5 by 5 in numerator when I make LCM. And denominator S square is there. Denominator I have S plus 2 by 2. Okay, and then I also have s plus 25 by 25. Okay, after simplification of everything, what will happen? After simplification, okay, I will do the simplification here. This is step number 3. I will take step number 3. Step number 4, just to the simplification I will do somewhere here. Okay, step number 4, just to the simplification. G of s equal to, it is 1000, and the 1000 into 2 into 25 divided by 5. Other than this, we have 1 by s square. Numerator we have s plus 5. Denominator we have s plus 2. And one more s plus 25 is there in denominator. And here 5 5s are, okay. We are having, anywhere I have done any mistake. 310 power 3000 only I am getting. 1000 only I am getting 0.110. Okay, 1000 into 2, 2000. 2000 is the constant. Otherwise, all the values are correct. Okay, so it is 2000. I am getting s plus 5 in numerator divided by s square into s plus 2, s plus 25. Only calculation somewhere I might have done mistake. You kindly check. Calculation I might have done mistake. Initial slope minus 40, 1 by s square, and 80 dB. 80 dB, 20 log k by s square. Yes, here some square is there. I missed out one square, you can see. So here one square is there. Okay, and here one square is there, and I have to use square also here. The 10 square here. So it is 40 on the subtraction. 40 and the subtraction. 80 minus 40. 80 minus 40. 40. 40 divided by 20 is 2. 40 divided by 20 is 2. So this is 10 square, and this is 100. Okay, not 1000, it is 100, please. K value, it is 100. Okay, just to check where I have done mistake. Just to check where I have done mistake. Here 1 by s square is there in step 1. I will make it equation 1. Equation 1, 1 by s square is there. But in the next step, okay, you can see omega value 0.1 only I substituted. Omega square means 0.1 whole square. Their calculation, it has slightly gone wrong. Okay, 100. So when 100 is there, 100 into 10, 100 into 10. Yes, 100 into 10, 1000. The 2000 was also wrong. I should do 10,000. It should be 10,000 in my wrong calculation. Okay, but now when it is right, it is 100 into 10, 1000. Now the option B, I got it. Okay, small mistake I have done in the simplification. All other procedures are correct. Now I have rectified that. Final answer is option B I am getting. Final answer option B I am getting. Okay, this is about the transfer function if diagram is given.